Hi, I'm going to talk today about Pycharm and how it can be made more like idle. Okay, so firstly, let's start Pycharm. And there's Pycharm. You can load an existing project or start a new one. Let's start a new one, just so that we can kind of show you. The first thing is not to use the virtual environments. Okay, if you want to be more like using idle, you just want to locate your base interpreter. So we want to use none of these. We want to use our existing interpreter, which is located in C, Python 2.7, Python exe, or you can use Python 3 if you have it. My preference is for 2.7. You don't really need a main Py. That's not helpful, I don't think. So there we've opened our existing project, or a new project in this case. And we need to load in some files. So in this case, I've written a spelling project, so I'm just going to load that up, which is something I wrote for my daughter to help with spelling. And we're going to open, this has a dependency file, which we'll open as well in the same folder. Okay. When you run a program, it doesn't take you into the runtime environment. It just leaves you in the editor, which I think is just sloppy. It also, if you're rerunning your program and developing it multiple times, it's a real pain. Okay, so if I click in this window, which I'm editing, and if I run the program.
Hello there. Let's do some spelling. Autobiography. Autobiography, please try and spell it.
If you start typing, you'll notice that it types in the wrong editor, which is really annoying. I looked online for a solution, couldn't find one. So I wrote my own. So let's just see how to do this. Two things you need to do to make it happen. Firstly, the run, change the view mode to window. Okay. So it's in a free window. And second thing, add a short amount of code to the beginning. So if we stop the existing one, and then close down the run window. Okay, so now if we run, you notice that the edit window is currently here. If we run the project.
Hello there. Let's do some spelling.
So without me clicking,
Poisonous, please try and spell it.
Without me clicking anything, you'll notice that it's already in the run menu here. If I type in poisonous.
Correct.
Then it all works as it should.
Permission, please try and spell it.
Okay, so let me close that down now.